So, right now, it just started an earthquake. And
We're shopping and
Yeah.
an earthquake just hit
it's the
us.
second earthquake this week, technically. Because last, what was it?
The other day.
Sorry for the awful angle. Just embarrassing. I just won't be embarrassed, huh? The other day there was an earthquake also, but we didn't film it. But now, right now, we're shopping. It's just me and Chávez.
Yeah.
And, well, you see, it started moving. Now we're at Sears. It's just gonna be our last store before we
No,
go.
we still have like one.
Oh yeah. It's already really late at night and I'm kind of scared to drive if there's an earthquake, another earthquake. And yeah, I have no idea how intense it was. It felt like if it was a 6, because like last time it was a 6 and that's how this one felt also. But a little bit more intense, so yeah. This time we're in another city, so it could be different since we're like closer to Los Angeles right now. But yeah, we're just looking for some shoes, some high heels, and yeah. Like if I'm
So right now we're in the line to Starbucks because we want to be like that, and
should I get Thai cream frappuccino? I have no idea how that would taste.
we want to try to get something new because we're not Starbucks people,
I'll just get the matcha.
so we don't know
green
what to
tea.
get. So we're trying to look up recipes.
Is the what's the matcha green tea? It's because I don't like tea.
Just don't get that. So I think I'm gonna get like a cappuccino or.
I think I'll get the white chocolate mocha frappuccino. Right?
Yeah.
I'll screenshot the name.
Let me see, what does that one say? The vanilla bean what?
Vanilla bean cream frappuccino. That's the one that you guys get.
Coffee.
Or should I get the chocolate cookie crumble? That's too sugary, I think.
What does it say? Cafe.
Those are for
Vanilla.
frappuccinos.
Yeah, I know. Cafe vanilla frappuccino.
They're taking forever in this line, which
Vanilla
is
frappuccino. What else is there? Chai cream.
good. I'm getting kind of nervous, Chavi. Frick.
Why?
Because I don't know what to order. Hopefully these people take their time. I want to get the mocha cookie crumble. So screenshot that one.
Oh, which one?
The cookie crumble. Or I kind of want to get the iced
Chocolate
white
cookie crumble.
yeah, mocha cookie crumble.
Flat white mocha cookie crumble. Flat white, iced white chocolate. Cafe.
I kind of want to get iced white chocolate mocha. Right?
Yeah.
I don't know what to pick.
Okay, I'll get the white chocolate mocha frappuccino.
Do you want that one?
Kind of. Okay, so I'm gonna get the white chocolate mocha frappuccino, and Yessy's gonna get
The mocha cookie crumble frappuccino. Sounds kind of good. I want a cookie.
So we'll tell you how it tastes if you haven't tried it already.
Yes. It's currently
Because I just want to have like
9:46.
I want to have a good coffee drink, but I don't know how to order a good coffee drink.
I kind of want to get the iced white chocolate mocha. Because that's more like coffee.
I wanted to get like a cappuccino, but maybe we'll get that like another day in the morning.
But I don't want to be awake at night because
I'm gonna get banana bread too, because I'm hungry.
oh, I'm gonna get a chocolate croissant. Just remind me.
I'm hungry. I am super, super hungry.
Do you remember what you're gonna order?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we just finished paying, and now we're gonna get our drinks. I just figured out that I love coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee.
Some coffee.
We love me some coffee. So we're just waiting for our nice person Jordan, which is gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. But anyway, I liked Yesie's.
I liked Chavez, which is the vanilla one. Taste delish.
Yesie got the chocolate crunch or something.
Crumble cookie, something. Some shit like, man. Well, look, they're even so. I see. Those people.
I'm not gonna show what I'm seeing, but I do not agree with that.
Hopefully it doesn't show in the background.
Trust me, it won't.
Okay, so
But yeah, that's good.
take out the that's the banana.
No, this is yours.
Yeah, this is the banana.
So Yesie got a chocolate croissant. Pretty sure it's fucking delicious. Probably
I
gonna love
thought it was gonna be better. Like milk chocolate, not dark chocolate. Yeah, I can see the difference. Taste the difference.
That's good too. You want some of mine?
No.
Mine's obviously delicious. I always get this.
I was just craving chocolate, I guess. I was about to get a completely different drink, but because I forgot the name, but then I saw the name again and I ordered it.
I think that I'm gonna try every single Starbucks drink.
Just not in one day.
No, not in one day. Like throughout my life.
Yeah.
Peace.
We're not that rich.